Hi champs, this is Shiv again with cat within 3 minutes. Now, this problem is Viru invested 10,000 rupees at 5% simple interest. So it is simple interest. And exactly after 2 years, Joy invested 8,000 at 10% interest. It should have been Jay because Viru and Jay come in Sholay movie, 10% interest. After how many years, Viru's investment will their balances, that is principal plus total, be equal? So this is the question asked. Now you take Viru here. He put how much? 10,000. 5% of 10,000 is 500. So in 2 years, he'll get 500, it will be 11,000 rupees. Now our friend Joy starts. He puts 8,000. He has put 8,000, Viru has got 11,000. What is the difference? Yes, 3,000 rupees. But how much is Viru going to get? 500 rupees interest. And our friend Joy gets 10% interest. So he is smarter in his investment planning. So he gets 80 rupees as interest. 500 and 800. What is the difference? 300. What is the gap between them? 3,000. So how much time will it take for this 300 to come to 3,000? 10 years. But now you have to be careful because the question is how many years after Viru's investment? Now Viru has already invested for 2 years. Then only our friend Joy comes. So he invests for 10 years. So the total time Viru has invested is 2 plus 10. The answer would be 12. Simple, isn't it?